Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMumz.
6 best habits for a productive mom morning routine. Hi mommies, you have delivered and now comes the next challenge. Earlier it was you, your life and your routine. Now your routine has definitely changed. I, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, will tell you how to manage your mornings so that you have a nice productive day. Being a mom can be an incredibly rewarding experience, but it can also be incredibly challenging, especially when it comes to managing your time effectively. With a family to take care of, it can be tough to carve out time for yourself, let alone set up a productive morning routine. However, a productive mom morning routine is crucial for a successful and fulfilling day. With that in mind, here are 6 of the best habits you can adopt to create a productive mom morning routine. 1. Wake up early. Waking up early is an essential habit of a productive morning. By getting up early, you will have more time to yourself to do the things that matter the most to you. You can use this time to exercise, meditate, or just enjoy a cup of coffee before the rest of your family wakes up. Waking up early is also advised by Ayurveda, and it means that you can get a head start on your day, which can help you feel more productive and relaxed. By waking up in the morning, you'll have more time to plan your day, organize your tasks, and get a jump start on your to-do list. It can also help you feel less stressed and rushed in the morning, which can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Waking up in the Brahma Muhurat is supposed to be really good, but I will not say to wake up at 4 o'clock, but definitely wake up before sunrise and see the difference. I followed this all my life, and those extra hours give me so much of energy and my day is so comfortable. 2. Drink water and eat breakfast. Drinking water and eating breakfast are 2 of the most important habits you can adopt for a productive mom morning routine. Drink warm water first thing in the morning, sitting down, and that can help you hydrate and energize your body, which can help you feel more alert and focused throughout the day. Eating breakfast is also essential for a productive mom morning routine. A healthy breakfast can help you fuel your body with the nutrient it needs to function at its best. You breastfeed all night, so definitely you need that extra calories in the morning. And this breakfast will also make you feel more satisfied and less likely to snack throughout the day. Some good breakfast options include idli sambar chutney, my favorite, upma, porridge or dalia, poha, whole grain toast, oats. You can have lots of fresh fruits and soaked nuts too. Almond milk is a very good option, and golden milk. How do you prepare golden milk? Take the milk, add a little bit of saffron, turmeric and little bit of black pepper and enjoy that. So a healthy breakfast will keep you going all day. 3. Exercise. Exercise is another critical habit for a productive mom morning routine. Regular exercise can help you improve your overall health, increase your energy levels, and reduce stress and anxiety. It can also help you feel more productive and focused throughout the day. If you are short of time, you can try doing a quick workout at home, such as a 10-minute yoga routine or a 15-minute body weight circuit. Or you can go for a quick walk or jog outside to get some fresh air and sunlight. Do this. I have been following this for the last so many years, and I miss the mornings in case if I can't do it for some reason. So do it. If you inculcate a healthy habit, it will automatically get transferred to your baby as well. 4. Practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude is a powerful habit that can help you cultivate a positive mindset and improve your overall well-being. Take a few minutes each morning to think about the things in your life that you are grateful for, whether it's your family, your health, your home, or your job. You can write down your thoughts in a gratitude journal or a gratitude app and simply reflect on them quietly. I use a gratitude app. And by focusing on the positive aspects of your life, you can help shift your mindset away from negative thoughts and feelings. This can help you feel more optimistic and motivated throughout the day, even when faced with challenging situations. 5. Plan your day. Planning your day is another crucial habit for a productive mom morning routine. Take a few minutes each morning to review your schedule. Make a to-do list and prioritize your tasks. This can help you feel more organized and focused throughout the day, as you'll know exactly what you need to accomplish and in what order. If you're not sure where to start, try using a planner or a productivity app to help you stay on track. You can also try breaking down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable ones to help you feel less overwhelmed. 6. Get ready. Getting ready in the morning is another important habit for a productive mom morning routine. Even if you're not leaving the house, stay beautiful for yourself. Your baby will be happier and your husband too. So a little bit of care for yourself, your emotions and your routine will make your day very, very productive, and in the end, you will have a very nice, happy and comfortable day. Thank you and namaste.